Hi ma'am, this is the work of group 2 on a code for which we calculate or combine a given pin length or a given number. So here we use either tools or import time to function it and the function to calculate and the number of combination for a given pin length. So here we use the def calculate combination so that we can use or enter a pin length and return it. So and the second line of function to generate all possible combination for a given length. Ito naman, itong part naman na ito, nag-generate nito yung possible na combination ng lahat ng pin length. So here, calculate the number of combination or pin length to calculate combination, total combination of 10. Dito naman, binilalabas dito kung hanggang ilan or ilang digit ba yung ilalagay mo dun sa mismong code mo. So, dito naman, generate the print all possible combinations, start time, and combination generate, pin length, and time. So, ito, pinalalabas nito yung mismong time or yung result kung anong oras or anong possible combination at anong oras siya ilalabas. Then print list of possible combination for combos and combination. Ito naman, nagpiprint lahat ng combination kahit ilang digit pa yung ilalagay mo. So, ito yung output namin. Sabihin natin magpipin length tayo ng 1. Tapos, enter a pin ulit na possible. 1 digit lang pero 10 combination siya. Sabihin natin 1 ulit. Yan po ang output. Then, another is yung kung maggagawa tayo ng dalawang pin or combination, we use 2 combination, then enter 2 digit that combines 100. Sabihin natin 45. Yun. So on and so far, hanggang dun. Kung hanggang 10 lang ang kayang gaya ng digit na to. So, thank you po, ma'am.